What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Behind me is our vacation home for the next 4 days. We just arrived, started to unpack, so it'll be a little bit messy once I get inside the house, but I wanted to show you guys the house inside. So really kind of odd setup of the home. So first of all, this home, according to Zillow, is valued at around $900,000. So it's a fancy home. Got some nice lights, nice wooden door, stone. So this door leads, see what I mean? It's kind of odd. This is where you do the laundry, and then the kitchen is right there. This is Noah. Noah, say hi. Say hi. Okay, no? Okay, he'll probably follow me out. This door, no idea where it goes. And this is the garage. Has a fridge in here. As far as I know, there is no access to the garage from inside the house. A few bikes here, kayak because we are right on the river, and this goes out to the recycling and garbage, which I will show you guys right now. Moving around, yeah, this is the door. Your garbage recycling right there. I feel like these chains look really nice. Okay, AC unit right here. Oh, which is what's great is we have snow this year. Hot tub right here. I don't know how many people it fits. This is a nice sitting arrangement. Grill. Kitchen is through here. Probably won't see anything. This is the door from the house to the backyard. Nice lounge area. I don't know if we'll use this because it's like 25 degrees outside, so it's super cold to sit outside, but this works. And this is a double glass fireplace, which you guys will see shortly. Looks like there's a TV rack right there, some speakers. So this would be a perfect spot for the summer. There's the nice flowing river. This is another fire pit. Got really nice views. It is super peaceful, super nice out here. Let's go to this side of the house, which I actually have not been to. Some rocks. I hope I don't slip and fall. Okay, so nothing exciting from this side, but regardless, we will go through here and then come through the front door. Oh boy, almost too much work. And this snow is somewhat deep. Oh boy, my shoes are gonna be wet. Okay, before I go inside and show you guys inside of the house, I want to give a unsponsored shout out to the management company. So the garage was locked when we first showed up, and the management company showed up and gave us a key so we could unlock the garage and use it. I had a few phone calls with them. Before we showed up, they have been super friendly, very accommodating, and very helpful. Ilya, one of the guys with us, has requested a high chair for his kid, and they will try to get us one either later today or tomorrow. So they have been phenomenal. The other thing, there is a room up there which we do not have access to. You have to pay extra for that, which is really weird. I've never been in a house that kind of did it that way. And it was for us $95 plus tax per night. So we passed up on that. With that room, this is a 5-bedroom house, and I think 4 bathrooms. So let's go ahead inside and show you guys what it looks like. Entrance, maybe with the light coming in through there, it won't be that great. All of these blinds have been closed when we first arrived, so not a lot of daylight coming through, but love the furniture here. This is the double-sided glass fireplace from the other side. Beautiful views. There is an upstairs nook section. This is Sophia. Sophia, say hi. Hi. This is baby Chloe.
Papa.
The wife helping out, saying that there's killer views.
Struggling.
Well, you got all these other windows. So this whole living room area has a bunch of windows. Love this roof. Ceiling. There's no, you want to record?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
To hold it straight. Okay, go. Resuming. Dinner table. That's kind of cool. It's like metal. I don't know what that is for. Granite. Rough edges around the granite. Really like that. So kitchen, darker style fridge. Wall appliances. You guys saw the other fridge in the garage. And this is the outside door that leads to the laundry room. Glasses. This is the wine fridge. As you can see, we have a bunch of wine in there. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs later. This is Ilya. I believe this is the smallest room inside the house. Queen bed. Yes, there's a bathroom right here. Let me get that light. Nothing special, but it's nice. I like these colors. I feel like they give such a nice ambience to a room. Okay, so the master bedroom is very special. Master bedroom, bathroom. Again, granite. Love these edges. Definitely not kid safe, but they are nice.
I didn't even see that.
Don't they look good?
Yeah, but I feel like it's only. Oh.
Well, this is how it is. Kitchen, every granite slab. It's not like a straight cut, has rough edges. So this bathtub I will use. There's some candles.
That you will use.
I will. It's gonna be romantic. Massive shower. This bathroom, nothing special. Actually a little weird because it's very dark, no windows. And the walk-in closet, which isn't that big.
Did you bring everything in?
Okay.
Take everything to the
Master bedroom has its own fireplace,
we can go.
fan, great views, a bed.
No, careful.
But Mom,
Careful, that's hot.
Mom,
And access to the backyard. Sophia really wants to sleep upstairs, and I'll show you guys the room that Sophia really wants. Okay, show us the room that you really want. I already pulled that out. I wanted to see what it looks like. So this is the other room. I'll help you push that in a second. This is where Sophia wants to sleep because of the bunk bed. But something tells me we need to get you a bunk bed for home. Okay. Bathroom in here. Another shower. Welcome. Mount Hood Meadows, Oregon. We make the difference. That is definitely not where we are. This is Malia. Bye, Malia.
Stairs.
This is a nook area. Probably games and whatnot. TV, flat screen. Another bathroom. And this bedroom. So it's a shared. Oh, this is dark. Wait, let me find the switch. Okay, there we go. Another fairly good size room. I don't know what this is, probably a king bed. Has its own coffee machine. And a bathroom with a shower. I don't know where the light is. But you guys get that idea. Granite everywhere. Really nice decor. Furniture is definitely high-end furniture. Another fan here. Views to the front of the house. It's actually snowing a little bit right now. And the view from up here. Not sure what else will be included in this video, but at least you guys saw the house, and the house alone is worth checking out because it's so beautiful. Oh, we're going this way. Come on. We're gonna go explore this little neighborhood. You're stuck? Okay, pull her backwards. You got it? Do you need help? We will make it down to the river. It was, I think, 5 degrees, maybe 10 degrees at night. So we are very happy that we have snow this time around, because last time we were here last year, we had no snow whatsoever. Mr. Drifter. A very nice neighborhood, very peaceful, super calm. Another shot of the house. Nothing exciting, but definitely memories, and it is so beautiful here. It is supposed to snow tomorrow. But today is perfect. So many nice houses here.
Hi, guys.
Good job.
I want to play some soccer.
Wow.
Let's play with this one.
Boom. River's right there. I thought it split into 2, but I guess not. So this is like a mini dam or something. This is our home. Noah, say hi.
Hi.
Speakers on here.
This is it. Heading out, and look at these guys.
we gotta make sure kids don't walk around this. This is a killing hazard. Snowman is built in the name of Sophia.
Come on, yo.
I'm gonna finish it.
Guys, this is so much snow. As you saw in the video, there were spots here that didn't have any snow. And look at it now. Not too much on the road, maybe an inch or two. But this definitely got a lot. Pretty sure they cleared these roads. Hopefully the camera will catch this. It's coming down hard, and it has been for a few hours. It's up, up, up. More and more. Guys, this is more than we could have asked for. There is so much snow. This is so fantastic. And this home was phenomenal, right?
Yes.
Home was amazing. I'm gonna get in on her picture. Just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The group was fantastic. We have traveled with this group before. Sophia, what are you doing? Coffee cups, lids.
I'm gonna see all the this.
Let's go, baby.